Today we're in the Orrcon Steel NATA-Accredited Lab, and in this laboratory is where we do all of our testing and quality assurance for the manufacturing mill. Each day we collect samples from production, so we've got some calibrated scales. We measure them and tensile test them to make sure they meet the Australian standards for strength. Specifically AS 1163. We put them in the machine one at a time and stretch them under a controlled load until they break. And at that time we're measuring the force and the extension, and that enables us to put the values on the test certificate at the end of the day. We also have a Charpy impact tester. So for materials of 6mm thickness, there's a requirement to measure the impact properties, and we have to chill them down to 0 degrees in an icy bath before we test them and measure how many joules of energy that they absorb when we break them. We also have a number of hardness testing machines that we can use for analysis and investigation work, measuring Vickers and Rockwell hardness. We also have a spectrometer. So the spectrometer enables us to zap the steel sample and very accurately determine the chemical composition. The lab also has the capability of performing weld macro inspections. So we'll get some ERW pipe and we'll cut out the weld section, mount it in a resin, etch it up with acid and look at it under the microscope. And that way we can check the weld quality and make sure that it's up to standards. So it's quite valuable having this laboratory on site, and we've been here for more than 12 years now. And it enables us to have a very good understanding of the production coming off the mill. Because we're here every day, we can tell if something's not right or something's a little bit different and give that feedback directly to the mill straight away. And because we're on site, we have the results in the same day, and you've got your certificate with your product with no delays.